Welcome everyone. How is it going? How are you today on December 23rd, 2023 for Solana price prediction video on a topic which is yet again about to explode. Are we taking the whole crypto market upwards like it used to be in the past couple of weeks, actually around 2 months, when Solana broke the top, cryptocurrencies used to follow, especially during market environments that are strongly bullish. Solana used to be the first one making the move, which is something that has been going on for the past couple of hours as well. I would say 24 to 36 hours down to the table. Solana has been performing very, very well, guys. Now we have $5.9 billion volume for Solana. I mean, this is not only crazy, this is actually more than that. $5.9 billion volume on a cryptocurrency, which a couple of months ago used to be nowhere. It's something insane, but at the same time shows you the power of the cryptocurrencies right now. So diving into the topic, not before, for those of you that are familiar with my channel and so on, make sure to follow me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and check out the other episodes as well on price predictions and all that stuff, including the ability for you to join my bot trading completely on AI, where we perform for you. No prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved. Commissions are paid by you every 7 days, and it's based on performance. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video, including about the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there that is serious around the crypto space and aiming to become financial free as we are getting into the bull market. So what's happening, folks, with Solana? We have a specific technical analysis here that is portraying numbers at a very entry level and beginners in order to make sure that everyone watching around YouTube is having to understand this. Now, the breakout has been continuing in a beautiful, very, very nice Elliott impulse wave. Number 5 has pushed exactly on the expectancies, and it has been able to cross that, which means that I'm talking about the 2.618 extension level of the Fibonacci. That is major, very, very strong, especially if you have a double top structure that is portraying the market in a range, and it has the supply role, which means that we have the number 1 and number 3 extensions doing exactly that. You are breaking out straight into the 5th extension towards the 2.618 or 3.618, or anything that comes with 0.618 will be your major target for the topic. So this has been completed successfully, which means that we're going to take it away and continue with our discussion. What's happening basically with the markets from the moving average side? Well, from the moving average side, we are continuously getting supported by the 100 days moving average, and the reactions are appearing extremely accurately from the past as well, continuing into December and heading towards the end of the year, finding ourselves in a very, very good shape. One thing which I'd like to tell you is that the Solana at a time of retracement will get back to 200 days moving average as well, which is this one, the darker blue line out here, which is going to be visited by the Solana's price action. And that means at the time we touch that, there's already a great opportunity to consider and portray a possibility for a strong long entry. Now, that speaks about a longer term behavior of the market, yet what is sustainable in a trend, in a market speculation mode, is usually 20 days, 50 days, and even 100 days when you speak about longer time frames on the charts. So right now, as we got supported, it was pretty much clear that we're going to break the top, especially with the last support appearing around 18th. That one sitting on $69.70, that was huge. And that was actually a top, which was also the extension number 1 in the Fibonacci, which means, again, a very, very important key level for us. We simply went rocket, aiming basically to a much higher level. Now, there is one thing which I'd like to discuss about, and in the meantime, I'll take out the CRSI, but no, let me do this way. I'm going to speak about a CRSI indicator from the bottom. What's happening, guys? Obviously there is a danger right here for the markets to form a divergence, especially on the 4 hours. Divergence can be formed by us having pushed a little bit higher right now, and then you're forming a lower high basically on your indication measuring the strength. In this case scenario, you're going to have a divergence on the 4 hour, which is obviously not indicating in a mandatory way that the markets must crash, but at the same time they are indicating a certain level of danger that is quite high, especially after so much increasing going on. Things are going to slow down a little bit for sure. We'll have to see how does the holidays time, Christmas times plays out for the entire world. We'll see how this period is for the end of the year, New Year's Eve, and so on. Movements around this moments, anything after 24th of December is going to be totally different, guys, for the space of crypto till the new year starts. We got to keep ourselves on the right path of the direction and consider the fact that the markets are going to gain volatility as well in the upcoming period. Even though they might have slowed down at certain levels, there is still room out there for much bigger volatility. So I'm going to take out CRSI and share with you what are the probabilities for the above instance. Number 3 Fibonacci is there, which is quite dangerous, and it pretty much plays out with the portrait of the divergence possibility. Again, it just sits on the table. You need to keep it on your mind and have focus on that, including the extension number 3, which is dangerous. It's actually sitting at the $100 level. So there's no more questions around Solana's capabilities of pushing to the $500 mark, especially during the bull market. But the only question is, how do you proceed and trade this, which can very easily trap you into positions under high volatility and knock you out when you're trading in the leverage. It takes your stop losses out so many times. It takes your liquidation near. So it is a cryptocurrency which is definitely not one of those easiest to trade due to the fact that it's moving very aggressively. And if you leverage those moves that are 20% daily on a 5x, then this is a crazy 100% daily or so on a margin, which is valuable, right? So we need to be careful about that level as well, and anything slightly above $100 is going to trigger another large wave of popularity on Solana, which is already having. I'm pretty much afraid that the ones that were saying that Solana is going to compete 1-to-1 against the Ethereum in the upcoming bull market are pretty much having a quite strong level of truth right there. To be honest with you, this crypto right here is not only capable to compete, the discussion needs to be taken to a level where it can sort of a way overcome the volume of the Ethereum. I mean, there is a lot of the volume from the Ethereum that is moving into Solana, and it has moved. So there is a trend basically, even though there's the BRC20 tokens, which are going to be major for the upcoming trend. Things gotta be kept not only simple, but at the same time very efficient. Now, that's it on Solana, guys. What about the retracements? Well, retracements got to be kept simple in any form or reason. There is a golden pocket here, and there is the level 2 Fibonacci extension on 85. So anything around 85 up to $88 should react, should be along the way with our force and hold the markets. You cannot come back basically to the level you just broke out as your supply and revisit that at the moment. You cannot do that. So you must still hold with a price section above 85 and try to survive at this levels while you bring the entire market upwards. BTC must break out as well, Ethereum so, and the entire space, just like Solana has followed in this specific structure. Beautiful. That's it on the topic. Once again, for those of you that would like to participate in trade, it's a completely done for you trading. Option number 1, no prior fee. We are proceeding and trading through API trading permission. You only give that, and that's it. Basically very simple and straightforward. You can ask me more questions on the topic, read around the page, check out the videos about it, and there is a lot speaking to it. As well, the coaching program only for serious people. Like I said, if you would like to reach that financial freedom people are aiming for, then you need a proper education on the topic. And then obviously after you have this, you need to fight very hard and work hard towards it. It's not going to simply fall down from somewhere. It's going to be needed to be earned. Now, this is a one-on-one coaching live with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade from the most basic until the advanced things that I'm performing on the market as a trader, especially that I've been trading since 2014. Things have been put together in the right direction. So make sure to watch the video for a detailed explanation and then register now for more details. Qualify for a free conversation with me, guys, and jump on board. I'm looking forward to it. Have a great time.